Hey everyone, it's time for the bird cam again. I ran out of bird feed and I wasn't paying $20 for a 5-pound or 10-pound bag of bird feed, so I went down to my local farm supply store and got scratch grains because I used to have chickens, and the grains that were in there are sunflower seeds, wheat, what else? Oats and other things. And since I changed that up, I haven't seen this many birds at my feeders. So now I am glad I changed it for $15 for a 50-pound bag of scratch grains for chickens. These birds are really enjoying what they're eating, I think, because there's a lot more of them out here.